Hello, just a quick one from me. Join me tomorrow at 12:30, where we will be finishing the week 5 of the How to Build Great Virtual Teams, and we're going to be looking at change. Now, I won't go through everything and spoil the surprises, but we're going to look at a lot of change science at the individual level. That's profoundly important, because how can you change an organization, which, let's face it, is a whole network of individuals, without understanding this science? And then we're going to look at collective change. Now, if you're in an organization where the senior leadership team, often called the C-suite, are considering transforming the organization, looking at making the organization more adaptable, more innovative, more agile, then this is profoundly important, because pretty much up until now, the vast majority of organizations have got it wrong. Now, that sounds like a really bold statement, but the truth of the matter is, it's not my personal opinion. Peter Senge, one of the sort of grandfathers, if you want, of systems theory, who has a network of change specialists, of CEOs who had to change or tried to change organizations, have basically come to the same conclusion, that the vast majority of effort seldom, if ever, delivers what it's supposed to. And so I'm going to go through really some really important aspects of how change really happens, and that is the purpose of the second section of the piece that I'll be sharing tomorrow. And that is, how do you really get change going in organizations in a way that's sustainable and adaptable? Because I think the idea that you can do 2-year change transformation programs is complete baloney. Particularly in the post-COVID-19 world. It was certainly true anyway before now. I think the environment we're in now has just made everything that much clearer for a lot of people. So if you do have senior leaders in your organization who are interested in this, invite them along. It'd be great to see them. So tomorrow, 12:30, how change is changing. And the big takeaway from this is that you have a role to play. And I'll explain exactly what I mean by that when I see you tomorrow. So I'll see you then. Looking forward to it. Take care.